This is my Messy to Minimal series. I tackled the van, my kids' room, I've tackled laundry, and my master bedroom. I'm going to be doing food storage next. But if you're new, hello, my name is PJ. This is my husband Eli, and this is our family. We are a family of 8, 6 kids. We love it. Home is our favorite place, and we want home to be your favorite place as well. So we share all things, whether I'm organizing the home, cleaning the home, working on our new home, homeschooling, homesteading. We are trying to do all the things here home related so that we can bring our home to you. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos. We really thank you for all of the support here on Raising the Pauls.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. Trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors, and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread